I could probably do my haul right now actually. I just had to turn down the lighting. Yes, please comment down below if you like my look. Hunty, your girl is learning fast. I am in love with my look. I'm practicing for my shoot, well, for our family photo shoot we're having, because it's Mother's Day coming up and we're going to give my mum a photo of all of us, which is nice and lovely, especially now that we've got a lot of new additions. Since our last photo shoot we only had Darnell, and now we got 4 extra additions to add to our photo shoot, and I'm so looking forward to it. I just wanted to practice my look for the day. The theme is purple and white, so if you have any ideas before then, if I post this before then, please comment down below. What's up SB squad, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I really don't like my hair, but don't mind that, boo-boo. So I know in this vlog I initially said that I wasn't going to do a haul because my voice was gone, but when I came to pack up my stuff I really didn't want to have to pack it up and then unpack it all over again, so we're gonna do it. Don't mind my voice, I am not well at the moment. I am getting better actually. Yesterday I was just absolutely had no voice, but today I'm doing a lot better. I just hate my hair right now because I look like the Brady Bunch. So I wanted to show you some of the stuff that I got. I'll try and make this quick and fast and simple. So I want to put these back in so that I can, you know, make it look nice when I open it up. Okay, so the first thing that I want to show you guys is I got I'm not very good at these. This is my first of this kind, okay? So I got the Fenty primer. I don't know if this has an addition, but this is the Fenty primer that I got. I also got this Fenty foundation, which was the one that I said was a bit dark for my skin, but I actually think it's quite perfect for my skin. And it's in shade something, 330. I also got this Zoeva brush. It's a buffer. I've always wanted to do that. It's a I can't even talk now. It is a 104 buffer brush by Zoeva, whatever how you say it. Zoeva or Zoeva or Zova. Okay, I also got this NARS highlighter. It's a blush highlighter. Just open up. So it's from NARS. I got it from Mecca Cosmetics, and that's the shade inside. Hello. Yeah, that's a shade that I got. You can't really see it. It just looks like a blush, but I don't know if you can see it. It shimmers. It's like a shimmery shimmer. Okay, there is no order to this. I'm just going in with whatever I can see in front of me. I also got this Bobbi Brown eyeliner gel in Graphite. Is that how you say it? I also got this Anastasia, so the ABH Dip Brow Pomade in Ash Brown. The next thing that's in front of me is this Laura Mercier. There I go again. This Laura Mercier setting powder. It's a translucent loose powder so that you can bake your face. Girl, I learned. I also got these Tarte lashes, which were, in my opinion, very expensive, and they didn't even come with like glue. I also got this fluffy brush. This one was a cheapie. From now on, I'm deciding to get cheapie brushes, just because I just don't see a difference from like the ones from Sephora and the ones from Target. So I got this one from Target. It doesn't have a brand. It's a Blush and Blend blush, but I've been using this one for my translucent powder, because you can easily pinch it if you need to, you know what I'm saying? I got these two ABH palettes, which is the MR and the Sculpture. If I'd known, I probably wouldn't have gotten the Sculpture one, because I feel like the colors are a little bit similar. Yeah. So I felt like this one suited my skin color, the palettes, but they're a little bit similar to the MR one, which, as I said, I probably wouldn't have gotten the Sculpture if I had known. This one's the MR one. I've heard so many good reviews about this one. Okay, that was a lie, because the colors are not similar. This is it. This one I bought very recent. It is the NARS concealer in medium dark biscuit. Yep. This one, it's a MAC paint pot, and it's C57 Painterly, the Painterly paint pot. It's still in its packet. It's a contouring sponge. I just got this from Target because they're so much cheaper. The one at Mecca was charging like $20. This one is a Mecca Cosmetica. It's a primer I got given for free for shopping there. This brush is new. I got from Mecca. It's a Mecca complexion brush, and it's got like different length of bristles. I'm pretty sure it's like multi-purpose. I also got like an eyeshadow brush. It's also from Zoeva, that's how you say it, and it's 228. It's a luxe crease. This is also the ABH Brow Wiz that I use to fill in my brows. It's in the shade Ebony. And I also got the tinted brow gel by ABH as well. If you can see that, it's in Granite shade. And I almost forgot, guys, I also got this contour stick. It's also from NARS. It's in a New Guinea shade. It's medium to dark, number 5. And on the other side, it's got a spongy thing, which I haven't used because I just use my brushes. Because that's why I paid $1 million for. I honestly think that's it, actually. I think we're done. I have got like some other makeup, but that's from like a long time ago. That's not any of my recent stuff that I bought. Oh, this is just a little bit extra. So I bought this. It's a Manuka Honey Peel Off. Really looking forward to using this tonight. I got it from Target. It was about $3.95, and I also brought some cosmetic pads so that I can wipe this off after. So guys, I think that is it. I think that's all of my stuffs, but basically this is my little makeup table. I do need to get a better mirror, so I'm sorry about that, but I just got everything scattered. This is not all of my stuff. Some of my stuff is actually in my room. Lastly, I just wanted to show you before I end this video my makeup bag that I just bought today from Target. It was only $18, and it actually comes with other bags inside. I didn't know that Target and all these other places sold brushes and makeup, so I think next time instead of going to like Sephora and, you know, Mecca, I'm going to start going to Target for things like brushes and like the tools that you use to put makeup on. Like for things like makeup bags and stuff like that. Like it's just all that branding. So like this is my makeup bag that I'm very excited to start using and putting my stuff in. And guys, that is basically my haul. So thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. It's just down below, that big red subscribe button. Click it. Also turn on the notification bell so that you get every time we upload. Also, don't forget to like this video. Let's get this video to at least 200 likes, yo. I mean, because I am looking nice. If you've got other things that you think that I should add to my list, please comment down below. Otherwise, that is my video. Thank you so much, SB Squad. Love you, gang.